Are you looking for the best fitness trampolines? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best fitness trampolines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. BCAN Foldable Mini Fitness Trampoline. Lo Russo says she frequently gets asked for her recommendations on less expensive rebounders. I have clients that can't cough up $400 for a rebounder. I always steer them in the way of brands like BCAN and Stamina, and they've been happy, she says. Lo Russo says Amazon brands like BCAN used to only have spring-based technology that lacked the smooth and gentle feel of bungee cords. But now, the same brands make rebounders, like this one, with bungees, which are easier on the knees and feel less jarring than spring-based trampolines. Lo Russo likes the size of this model, noting that its 40-inch frame gives you a lot of surface to work on. Brands like BCAN make great rebounders, but the only real difference is that they have more bells and whistles, such as foldable legs, different mats that go underneath, and more durable materials. Otherwise, a trampoline like this one from BCAN offers the same technology as pricier bungee models, which is why this model is our best less expensive pick. Number 2. JumpSport 350 Fitness Trampoline. JumpSport is a brand that comes recommended by both Lo Russo and Coraggio, and when we asked them for a slightly less expensive model they'd recommend, but still an overall good investment, they pointed us to the 350. This is the rebounder Coraggio would have his students use while instructing trampoline classes. The JumpSport is a good trampoline for someone that's just starting out, he says. He also likes the 350's adjustable cords. That way you could adjust the tension. Maybe you'd want it a little looser for one workout, and then you could make it tighter. The 350 is also very quiet, nearly as silent as the NES, our pick, below, for the least loud rebounder. Number 3. Sportplus Silent Fitness Mini Trampoline with Adjustable Handrail Bar. If you want a quiet rebounding workout on a trampoline with lots of room to exercise, this model from Sportplus fits the bill. Its rubber bungee cords offer a quiet experience on its 37.4-inch jumping surface, the largest of the models in this list. Its taut cords don't squeak like springs might, and the brand notes the cords are so strong, you may need 2 people to assemble the trampoline, as the cords can be difficult to tighten. While it's not foldable, it does come with an adjustable front handle for more stability during workouts. That added support plus its larger surface area, and $100 price, make it one of the top-selling trampolines on The Strategist. Readers have bought it 1,809 times since 2019. Number 4. BCAN 40-inch Foldable Mini Trampoline with Adjustable Foam Handle. The big, supportive handle on this foldable model from BCAN is great if you want more guidance and stability while you exercise. It has 4 levels of adjustments, from 32 inches to 40 inches, so you can easily set it to fit your height and activity type. The adjustable knob makes it easy to move, and the padded foam top makes it even safer for kids and adults alike. Our readers bought it nearly 3,000 times since 2019, making it our second most sold item on this list, behind the Stamina model below. Its high-strength springs are made with 3 mm thick stainless steel, so it's built to last, too. Number 5. Stamina 36-inch Folding Trampoline. Spa owner Anna Zahn picked this rebounder from Stamina as an affordable alternative to a BCAN. Zahn says jumping on a rebounder is not only good cardio but helps with lymphatic drainage, and with over 5,600 trampolines purchased since 2019, the Stamina is our most sold fitness trampoline by a long shot. The brand, which Lo Russo recommends, too, also makes our best overall underdesk elliptical. The Stamina's affordability is certainly one reason for its popularity. It's the least expensive trampoline on this list. But it's still durable, compact, and easy to use, making it a good all-around starter trampoline. If you want to do an at-home workout while watching some Netflix, you can get away with a smaller trampoline like the Stamina, Lo Russo says. You don't have to be so concerned with the bungee cord models. It has a sturdy steel frame, a heavy-duty rebounding surface that can support up to 250 pounds, and 30 resistance bands for a strong, supportive bounce, and a quieter workout than you'd get with metal springs. Beginners and apartment dwellers will appreciate that, at 36 inches, it doesn't take up much floor space, folds down so you can store it almost anywhere when you're not using it, and only weighs 14 pounds, so it's easy to move.